It's amazing how he learned it. This is the worst mistake of the year for the driver of this truck. It was a bad day at work for him. The driver of the red car, parked perfectly. Carelessness could end in such a collision. Passes through the middle of the intersection. This is the best moment captured on the camera. A truck ran over the road, a car going much faster. Too much haste of drivers causes errors on the road. The yellow Ferrari collision was very expensive. Bus driver probably does not have a driving license. Turning into such a road should take a larger arc. Rainy weather can make the road slippery and lead to a situation like this. That night did not end well for this driver. He damaged several cars while escaping from the scene. Epic moments in Russia captured on dashcam are very funny. Drivers are very kind. An excavator traversing the road created a danger. This time you missed. It did not end well. This truck, at such a moment, did not manage to raise before the pedestrian crossing.
Bravo.
Driving on German roads at high speed can lead to such unsuspected behavior. The transported goods on the trolley, resulting in lost construction materials. This time the driver couldn't do anything when the truck pushed him off the road. The crazy driver caused a situation in which he stopped on the road, thus the other driver hit him. This truck made an extreme maneuver, almost tipping sideways. Unbelievable, it was left by the dash cam. This driver did not notice the oncoming second vehicle behind the cars. At intersections like these you have to look very carefully from side to side. Girl driving the car did not bring up in the right moment. The car did not see what is in front of it. The back of another car ran over. When changing lanes, the truck driver did not notice another vehicle driving parallel with him from the side.